Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Netflix keeps on buffering, then please watch this video. I will guide you through all the possible resolutions. So before anything else, go to fast.com and hit enter. Now I'll tell you why. Because a slow internet connection speed is the main reason for buffering. So we can check the internet connection speed from fast.com. Once this part is sorted out, you can try a different browser to open Netflix, and if that helps, then we can go with browser level troubleshooting. But I have this belief that there is another reason behind it, which is the Netflix server status. So search for it on your browser and then scroll down and check the status on various websites. Now the problem is that Netflix doesn't have any dedicated website for it. Okay, it has this one help.netflix.com. We can go to this one and it will simply say that whether it's down or up without a status graph bar. Okay, and this doesn't give sufficient information, so I check it from downdetector.com if there are any specific reports about Netflix being down. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.